So what you're about to see is just not serious. It's all parody. If there's any resemblance to actual real characters, it's truly just a coincidence, I promise. This week on Digiblur DIY, we're going to show you how to get rid of your farmer's tan. Is your shirt?
Yes. This is remote. We use this remote to transport the video.
So where do we start with this one? Yeah, we're gonna have a weird video. I'm probably gonna change the direction 10 different times as I edit it. And yeah, I don't do the whole storyboard and I don't do the whole like script and everything for videos. I just kind of do them off the cuff and just be real. But so that's gonna try to bring me to another, I guess, rant. There's just a lot of issues I see out there in the YouTube world. And I'll start off with the vendors. Yeah, and if you're probably gonna get butthurt or be offended by anything of someone being real, you should probably click on down and maybe go hang out at the Disney Channel YouTube or something for a little bit while we get past this one. I'm sure we'll probably do some other reviews or some other things again, right? So starting with the vendors, where do we start with that, right? Try to be short as possible, Travis, which is very difficult. So the vendors, I get all these emails, and I'm sure a bunch of other different channels do the same thing. And you can tell they're just stupid form letters. I mean, there's some of them that's like, hey, I've been watching your channel and everything, and it's so great, and we got this product that's going to be awesome for, it's going to get you all kind of views and everything, and you just have the best content ever, and it's so inviting to all the users, and sometimes it's not even incorrect English, but hey, whatever, everybody speaks different languages, that's fine. But did you even bother to look at some of my content? I mean, I don't typically have the clickbait titles with the stupid Taco Tuesday face, and yeah, we'll get to that one. But did you bother to even look? Why are you trying to get me to do a review for my people of some blanket or a space heater that's not even certified or anything? It's just, that's stupid. So that's fine. I'll go ahead and take in all that stuff for review, but there will be a clause in there, and yeah, that's some of that stuff behind me that will give it away on a live stream or maybe in Discord or something like that. But hey, I guess your product will be shown on a video anyway, but hey, I don't get that many views on live streams, which is totally fine as well, because I do get watching live streams after the fact kind of sucks. But then recently there was one that really kind of troubled me and really opened my eyes, and I won't name any names of companies and whatever, but it was some other PR company that was doing business for another company. So I guess there's that whole isolation there, but they wanted to offer me close to 4 digits in price to review their product. Well, first of all, I don't normally do any paid reviews. I haven't done any paid reviews. I mean, we do get affiliate stuff back on some of the links you click, and it's not much, but hey, I do appreciate it. But don't like to do paid reviews unless I actually would come out and say, hey, this is a paid review. But I haven't done that, and I would definitely let you guys and gals know. But they wanted to do that, and then they wanted to sign some contract, right? And one of the things in there was they wanted to make all kind of edits to it before it posted. I don't like to do that either. I'll just post it and you get to watch it along with everybody else that gets to watch it. And I hope that you take constructive criticism towards your product and make the next version better or fix the software issues. But then they wanted it had to be a positive review, no matter what.
What the hell is even that?
And what? But what if the product sucks? And then the next line was, if you don't abide by these terms, you have to pay back what the product cost plus 20% of what the contract was. I'm like, no, I'm not doing that.
At least it didn't happen in a public and brutally embarrassing way.
And then they try to persuade me and sent me other reviews that were out there of the same product and said, we're working with these guys. Like, here, they did fake reviews, so you should do the same thing. No, I'm just not going to be a part of that. I'm sorry. I just have integrity. And yeah, I know I probably should maybe do some other stuff. Well, not like that, but that's a whole deal. And I hope a lot of other people don't get into that in the realm of the things we do. But unfortunately, I guess some of them do. And that leads into the next thing I have to say about the state of things. And I know I see it in other places. We aren't 12. We aren't 14. We aren't doing videos for the most part towards kids. I mean, there may be some younger ones, which is totally awesome to be getting into the home automation stuff. But if they are, I'm going to say their maturity level is a lot higher anyway. And stop it. Stop with the stupid Taco Tuesday faces on YouTube. That's for children's videos.
Stop it. Get some help.
We want to see pictures of the product. We don't want to see your stupid face. I mean, to be honest with you, in the home automation world, we're probably just most of us are ugly as hell, but maybe there's some of the others. I've seen some channels of the nice looking chicks out there, but most of the videos I don't see you having some nice chicks on there. I just see some ugly mugs on there trying to hold back a fart in church on Sunday. And then you got something about, hey, flash this. Well, what does that got to do with your Taco Tuesday face? Just stop it. Put some decent stuff on there that we can actually see what's on the thumbnail, what we're trying to do or see, not something else that's dumb. Yeah, and maybe I'll even do one to really show you what we're talking about, where it's like, oh, maybe we'll do one for the thumbnail now. We're just like, pointing and then lastly, one of the other ones I see different times. Well, hey, I'll give away this $5 piece if you subscribe and then go do my newsletter and then click the like and you go do this and do. It's just a $5 piece. And you shouldn't be doing the subscribe, comment thing anyway. If you read the YouTube rules, that's against the rules anyway. Just have people come to your live stream or something, or go to Discord and then you can give it away there like I'm going to do. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe. Hell, if you want to unsubscribe because your butt hurt from this video, that's fine as well. You can still get one of the things over there. Just check out one of the live streams, or we'll probably do it on Discord. Just depends on when we do it. Because I'll probably do some other Christmas stuff as well, like I did last time in the Discord. So yeah, this has been going on too long. And
But wait! There's more!
there's this one in VR. Let me go get it. So yeah, the box is upside down on purpose. But if you want to go Google the name, hey, you can go ahead. The cameras were kind of, and then the NVR was kind of okay. And I could put other cameras to it. But then when I started really asking about the specs and the firmware and where they got things, I know it's just a rebrand. They sent me to this weird, really super sketch website. It looked like something that was out of the 90s off of Geocities. And yeah, if you don't know what that is, you may want to go ask your dad if you're younger, you happen to be watching this. It's not my type of thing to go for a camera and go put it in my house that is really sketch. So I still maybe install this. I do have a place that has 0 internet access, which would be perfect because it's just record to an NVR and record things to it, and we'll go watch it on the TV if we have to in that location. So it's probably going to be perfect because, well, there's no internet access, so you can't really get hacked or have some sketchy firmware on it. But yeah, so I probably didn't end up doing the whole review on this one just because it's just something I'm not going to get behind due to some of the sketchy website stuff. But if you want to check out some of this stuff, the beanie hats, the trail cam, digital photo frame, I have no idea. Some light beanie hat again. Yeah, the switch bot. I know some people love these things. Not my thing. It just gets stuck in, yeah, go look around Reddit and at other places you'll see people just don't really like them too much. And then they're weird Bluetooth as well. Raspad. I don't get this whole thing. It's like it was like over $100 or something, and there's no Raspberry Pi with it, and then it's bulky and crazy. We'll do a little giveaway on that. Now these were kind of cool, some little Bluetooth control. There's no Wi-Fi stuff to them, but not something I'm gonna end up using. So yeah, it does even have like a little microphone. It's probably hard to see in the light over here. Maybe I'll put it in the dark over here. But the box is kind of interesting. I thought that once you put it on the floor, I don't know. I have another box somewhere. And no, it's not that box. That's mine. This is weird to me, the SwitchBot stuff. The SwitchBot, I know you could do the whole ESP32 and maybe get them with ESP Home, but contact sensors, they're so much cheaper for Zigbee, and it's just they work out the box without anything weird to get them into Home Assistant, whatever. It's just Zigbee. I don't understand. I guess maybe they're for the ecosystem of that, but for the Home Assistant people and most of the viewers, probably just do a Zigbee thing. Same thing with the motion sensor. And then the indoor cam. And yeah, I did check one of these out. I wanted to see how it did. There's no RTSP. There's no nothing on it. And it made me surprised. I was like, that looks awfully familiar. This is actually a Tuya cam that SwitchBot does. So then I guess they did together. And no, I'm not putting any Tuya camera in my home. But hey, I'll give it away to somebody if they want to put a Tuya camera in their home and have fun. No, that's not my idea of fun either. So, but yeah, the SwitchBot stuff is really weird. I don't understand. So yeah, if you want to, I can't even do it. So all of that I said, and yeah, this wonderful home automation gear, I don't get it.
I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what.
We have a reputation to uphold.
Matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload.
They're gonna get so butthurt over this video. And they're just gonna be like, oh my God, I just want to put like all the bad comments in this video. And they're going to be like, y'all shouldn't have done this, and it's horrible, and they're going to be reporting the video even though we didn't show anything. And you have fun, right?
Yeah. And please don't call the cops.
They call the cops for what? We didn't do anything.
Like this bad video.
Told you I'ma